Hey everyone, Brian here with Honest Mechanic. Getting 400,000 miles or more out of your engine might sound impossible, but it can be done with the right maintenance and care. In this video, I'll be going over 6 critical things you can do to extend the life of your engine for the long haul. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Number 1. Use high-quality oil and change it regularly. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine, so you want to use the best possible oil, like a high-mileage synthetic, and change it regularly. I recommend using oil that meets Dexos 1 Gen 2 specs and has a high viscosity rating when hot, like 5W30 or 5W40. This gives you better protection at startup, but also better flow when the engine gets hot. Change the oil at least every 5,000 miles, or according to your manufacturer manual. Don't stretch changes past 10,000 miles ever. New oil filters each change are also a must. This regular maintenance clears out contaminants and gives fresh base additives to prevent wear. Number 2, keep coolant in good condition. Coolant helps regulate engine temperature, which needs to be controlled to avoid premature wear. Check your coolant at each oil change and replace it every 3 to 5 years. Use the correct 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water, not just water, which can cause corrosion. Top up if the level gets more than an inch low. And watch for leaks or bubbling in the radiator and hoses indicating a bigger problem. Good clean coolant will make your engine last. Number 3, replace all fluids and filters. In addition to oil and coolant flushes, you need to replace other key fluids and filters regularly in a high-mileage vehicle. I recommend replacing brake fluid every 3 years to avoid moisture contamination, power steering fluid when dirty, transmission fluid and filter every 50 to 100k miles, and fuel filters every 15 to 20k miles. Spark plugs are good for at least 100,000 miles these days. Just stay on top of all fluids and filters based on severe versus normal service in your manual. This reduces wear and prevents bigger issues down the road. Number 4, use quality fuel and fuel additives. The quality of your fuel matters for engine longevity. I recommend using top-tier detergent gasoline brands and adding a fuel injector cleaner like Techron regularly, not just cheap no-name gas. Premium fuels can also help. The additives and detergents help clean critical fuel system components. For older engines, I also suggest fuel stabilizers during storage periods and an upper cylinder lubricant like Marvel Mystery Oil with each oil change to prevent dry starts. Good clean fuel prevents carbon buildup and wear. Number 5, replace air filter regularly. It's important to replace your engine's air filter at least every 10,000, 20,000 miles or once a year. This might seem simple, but a restricted or dirty air filter reduces airflow into your engine. That means less oxygen to feed combustion, potential decreased power and mileage, and increased emissions. In severe environments like off-roading or desert driving, check it even more frequently. Number 6, regular carbon cleaning. Over time, carbon deposits build up on intake valves, ports, and cylinders in gasoline, direct injection engines. This carbon accumulation hurts airflow, combustion efficiency, performance, and ultimately, engine life. I recommend periodic carbon cleaning. Around every 50,000 to 75,000 miles is ideal if you want your engine to last long. If you stay diligent on these 6 engine longevity tips, there's no reason your properly maintained engine can't last 400, 500k miles these days. Compare that to most engines barely lasting 150k when neglected and abused. Just be religious about your fluids, filters, repairs, operation, and scheduled maintenance. Your engine will love you for it, and you'll save thousands in the process. If you found this overview on maximizing engine lifespan helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Honest Mechanic.